Did you know the microwave oven was invented by complete accident? In 1945, engineer Percy Spencer was testing military radar equipment when something strange happened. The chocolate bar in his pocket had completely melted, but he wasn't hot at all. Most people would have just thrown away the messy chocolate. But Spencer was curious. He aimed the radar device at popcorn kernels. They exploded instantly. Then he cracked an egg right in front of the machine. It cooked in seconds. Spencer realized the radar waves were shaking up water molecules inside the food, creating heat from the inside out. This discovery led to the first microwave oven in 1947. But it was a £750 monster that cost $5,000 and needed water cooling. Only restaurants could afford it. It wasn't until 1967 that a company called Amana made a version small enough for home kitchens. So the next time you heat up leftovers in 30 seconds, remember, it all started with one melted chocolate bar that changed how the world cooks food.